Hi, this is Abhisha Selvan, Salesforce developer from InnoValleyWorks. I'm here to explain and give a demo on a topic called Security Predicate in CRM Analytics. Let's get into the topic. In CRM Analytics, all the user will be able to view the records in a dashboard. In order to restrict the user for viewing the records in a dashboard, we'll use the Security Predicate. Security Predicate is nothing but a filter condition we'll be adding in our dataset. Here, I'm going to use two types of security predicate. So one is record ownership visibility and another one is role-based visibility. Record ownership visibility is nothing but only the owner of the record will be able to view the records in a dashboard. Role hierarchy is nothing but the user can view only records they own and the records owned by their subordinates. Let's get into a demo. First, I'm going to explain record ownership security predicate. Record owner based security predicate. Here I'm going to take an account and a user. That is, the user who owns the account should be able to view the records in a dashboard. So I'm going to get accounts from account object. The fields I'm going to select is ID, name, and the most important field will be owner ID. The next I'm going to take user from user object. I'm going to select ID, name of the user. Now I'm going to create an argument between the account and the user. Account with user. Here the left source will be account and owner ID. Relationship will be user. Right source will be user and ID. I'm going to take ID and name. Yes, that is, the owner ID which is present in the account should be equal to the ID which is present in the user. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to create a register for this. Record owner security predicate demo. Account with user. Now I'm going to create an alias name for this. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to update this data flow and run this data flow. We should wait for a minute in order to create this data set. Yes, the dataset have been created successfully. Now I'm going for my record ownership security predicate. Record owner security predicate demo. Yes, we are going to create a lens for this. So I'm going for a compare table and I'm going to take account name and username. We'll rename this field as owner name. Yes. So we'll clip this to a designer. Yes, so now I've created a dashboard in which all the accounts owned by all the user will be visible for me. So I should only able to view the account owned by Abhisha Selvan. So in order to do this, we'll use the security predicate. Before that, I'm going to save this dashboard as record owner security predicate demo. Okay, so now I'm going to create a security predicate for this dashboard. like here I need to take the user ID, that is we got from here the user ID. Okay, going to add this in my data set. The field should be in a single quotation and the value should be in a double quotation. So user.id, before here we need to put the symbol. Yes, so now I've created my security predicate. I'm going to refresh my dashboard. Yes, so now you can view that only the account owned by Abhisha Selvan will be visible in this dashboard. So this is record ownership security predicate. So now I'm going to explain role based security predicate. So for this I've already created a data set of getting an opportunity. I've gotten the opportunity with the ID and name and also the user. I've created a user node by getting ID and username, and the most important here is the role, right? So I'm going to take the user role object. From this, the most important field will be the parent role ID. Yes, so now I'm going to explain this in an Excel sheet. Here we'll have PM, CM, Minister, Collector and Counselor. So if PM is logging in means he should be able to view the records of PM if PM is logging in means he should be able to view the records of CM, Minister, Collector and Counselor. If CM is logging in means he should be able to view the records of Minister, Collector and Counselor. If Minister is logging in means he should be able to view the records of Collector and Counselor. Yes, and also they can also view the records of their own also. If PM is logging in, they can view their records also. Now I'm going to my data set. Here I'm going to use a node called flatten node, which is nothing but here I've gotten that user role, right? So the self ID will be the ID of that user role, and the parent role ID is nothing but here we can consider as a PM. Then the multi-field value will be CM, Minister, Collector and Counselor. So if I take a Minister, then the multi-field values will be Collector and Counselor. That's it. The role path is nothing but it will be given as a slash values, that is after PM the CM and after CM slash then Minister. Now I am going to create an argument between the user and user role. Here the left source will be user and left key will be the user's user role should be present in the user role's ID. The user's user role ID should be present in the user role's ID. That's it. And I'm going to create an argument between the opportunity and the resulted argument from the user and user role. Here the owner ID should be present in the ID. That's it. And I've created a register. Yes. So now I'm going to explain the security predicate. Here I'm going to take owner.role.roles, which is nothing but from the output of that register we can view that owner.role.roles. Owner is nothing but the argument which will be used in our opportunity with user role. Here the owner dot role. Role is nothing but here the role and the roles. Roles are that CM and Minister and Collector. So all those will be coming here. Here I'm going to explain this. So owner.role.roles is equal to user.user role ID. If the PM should be present in if I am Abhisha Selvan and my user role ID should be equal to the owner.role.roles. That's it. So I'm going to use this owner.user ID, which is nothing but I wish to see my own records. Okay, so I'm going to see the owner ID should be equal to the current login user ID. That's it. And we are going to view the dashboard. Yes, so here you can see B Abhisha Selvan. This is because I have created a security predicate with owner ID equal to user ID, and I can view Bruce Kennedy's record, which is nothing but Bruce Kennedy is sales AMER. So before that I'm going to explain the roles. So I am in the role of sales WW. You can view here Abhisha Selvan. Yes, so I'm in a role of sales WW, And so I can view the records of sales AMER and sales EMEA. So Bruce Kennedy is in the role of sales AMER, so that I'm able to view the records owned by Bruce Kennedy in the dashboard. Yes. And Chris Kelly. So Chris Kelly is in the role of sales EMEA, which is also a role which is under sales WW. So I can also view the records of them. Okay. And I'm going to explain another one. That is, in flatten you can use include self ID, which is nothing but who are all in the role of sales WW other than me. So I can also view their records in my dashboard. Yes, so we can view this in a dashboard. Let's just wait for a minute in order to take this data set. Okay, this is going to start running. Yes, and I'm going for my dashboard. Here you can view Catherine Brown. So Catherine Brown is in the role of sales WW, but I have logged in as Abhishek Selvan. So I can view all the records of that owner who are all in the roles of same as mine. Okay, so this is the role-based security predicate. I hope you have all understand what is record ownership security predicate and role-based security predicate, and thank you.